And welcome back to the DFW Scratcher. And we have a $20 session today. 200 million cash explosion for welcome back to Dallas. So we're back in Dallas. So we're back on Texas tickets. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And we have ticket number 44 and ticket number 45. I didn't think about it until I got home. I should have just went and bought the last 5 tickets as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and go. And the rules to the games are match any of your numbers to the winning number, the prize for the number, reveal a money back symbol, win the prize instantly, a 20 times symbol to win 20 times that prize. And we're looking for the 20 times symbol. I've never got a number symbol multiple. And overall, 1 in 3.9. 1 in 3.91, including break even prize. Top prize odds are 1 in 3,510,000 with 2% chance of margin. There's the pack number. Let's go ahead and start out with ticket number 44 first. Let's get this money. And also, before I forget, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the DFW Scratcher, where we'll be dropping videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays before midnight. And if not midnight, the very next day. Let's see what these winning numbers are. Feeling lucky being back in Dallas. Getting scratched Texas tickets again because my PA specials, they did not treat me right at all. And the winning numbers are 11, 5, 2, 4, 40, 22, 23, 9. That's 11, 5, 2, 40, 22, 23, and 9. I'm feeling lucky about this session. Let's go. Come on, give me something. I went off. Come on. And the first roll is 28, 14, 15, 10, and 19, which is a bust. Moving on to the second roll. Let's go the second roll. Come on. Pop out meal winner. Went off again. And the second roll is 33, 27, 35, 24, and 36, which is a bust. Moving on to the next roll. The next roll. Let's go. The next row. And the numbers are 1, 7, 16, 25, and 37, which is a bust. Let's move on to the next row. 2 more rows to go. 2 more to go. I need a winner. I need a winner. And we have 30, 26, 8, 21, and 12. Bust. A lot of one-offs on this ticket. Get the last roll. Give me something. A lot of 30s. We have no 30s at the top. That is not helping me. And the last roll is 32, 39, 18, 4, and 34. I guess this ticket was a bust. So moving on to ticket number 45. This must be the ticket I was having that good feeling about. So let's get ready to go. Ticket number 45. Winning numbers to your numbers. Win that prize. Look for money bag or 20 times multiple. And the winning numbers are 27, 10, 33, 12, 9, 26, and 38. I like that assortment a little bit better. Come on, let's go. And the numbers are 1, 37, 16, 31, and the 4. Moving on to the next one. That was a bust, by the way. Moving on to the... Oh, man, come on. Get this right. Moving on to the next row. Numbers are 22, 3, 25, 8, and 29, which is a bust. Moving on to the next row. Give me something. Come on. Welcome back, Texas. Let's go. And the numbers are 24, 21, 5, 13, and 35, which is a buzz. Moving on to the next row. I am not the Texas is not treating me back. It's mad I left. That's why. Shouldn't have left. Nice little losing drought lately. And the winning numbers are, the numbers are 17, 7, 32, 36, and 34, which is a bust. The last roll. Give me something on this last roll. We have a 40. We have a 6. We have a 30. 23. Last but not least is a 19, which is a buzz. So we had $20 session limit and we lost all $20. No money back. Well, this is the DFW Scratcher signing off. Have a nice day.